Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission to make a fast revision for lesson 9.6, right triangles and the Pythagorean theorem. And the first idea we will discuss here, my dear student, if I have a right angle triangle like this one, okay. Now the first mission I need to from you decide or determine where is the longest side. It is 5. I know. If I don't have any given number here, you must know without given number. So this side is the longest side because it is face the right angle triangle. Good. Now if I have this is 3, this is 4, how we find it? We click radical in our calculator. 3 square plus 4 square, enter. Okay, the answer will be 5. Okay, why we do adding in this case? Actually because he asked me about to find the longest side. Okay, the longest side, which is this side. And how I know it is a longest side? Because it is opposite to the right angle. That's mean if I have another question here, okay, if the given is the longest and one short, for example like this, now what is the solution for this question? Actually I need here to subtract, okay, subtract what? The longest side square minus the short side square, enter. You will get the answer 3. Okay, be careful from this, my dear student. If he asks you about the longest side, add. One of the short side, subtract. Okay, the second idea here, he will give you 3 numbers, for example 3, 4, 5, and he asks you if these numbers represent what? A right angle triangle or not. How do you know? Actually you square the 2 shortest side and add them by your calculator and find it. Okay, it will be 25. And go to the biggest number, which is 5, and square it, and you will figure out it will be 25. Because of that, you have to answer yes, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, again, go to the smallest number and square the first, square the second, add them, you will get 25. Square the third number. If it is the same, oh, it is the right angle triangle. Are we good? Okay. If I have this example, 3, 6, 9. Square the first, square the second. Now add them. It's 45, yes. Square the biggest side or the longest side. It is 81. It is not equal, so it is not right angle triangle. Are we good? Good. Now, so the first idea, he will give me a right angle triangle and give me 2 sides, okay, and ask me about the third one. Now in the second part of this lesson, he give you 1 side, okay, he give you 1 side and 1 angle, okay, and ask you about one of the side, maybe this or this or both. How we can find it? Actually, before we solve this, you have to know the special or the two special right angle triangle, the 30 60 90. Okay, 30 60 90. And the second one, 45 45 90. And you know the rule of or the relationship between the sides in each one. Let us revise what is the relationship in 30 60 90. I will start 30 30 90. It is not 60 is not written, no need to write it, but it is included 60. How I know? If I have 30 and 90, 60. If I have 60 and 90, 30. Now, what is the smallest side here? This is my question for you. The smallest side, it is x. How I know? Because it is opposite for the 30 angle. Are we good? Yes, we are good. Now, where is the medium side? Yes, the y is the medium side because it face or opposite the 60. These small details you have to pay attention about them. Why? Because after you memorize the relation, you have to focus and know where is the smallest, the medium, and the longest side. Now here, what is the given side in this 30 60 90? The longest side. Okay, go directly and find the smallest side, which is x, and the relation between the smallest and the longest, that the smallest half of the longest. So this is 4. Okay, if I find the smallest, it is easy to find the medium one. Why? Because there are a radical stick all of time behind the medium side. Now I bring the 4 here and write it here. So the answer 4 radical 3 for the medium side. Teacher, all of time you multiply by radical 3? Yes. Let us take another example. Let's go. If this so x equal 5 and y equal 5 radical 3. We done. Now let us take another situation. If this 4, so this 8, and this, which is y, 4 radical 3. Now the hardest situation, and it is not hard, my dear student, if the medium is given, that opposite the 60. For example, suppose it is 5. How we can do this? Actually, find the smallest, 5 over radical 3, and here 10 over radical 3. Why 10? Because the biggest or the longest is double the smallest, so I multiply the 5 by 2. Are we good? I hope so. Okay, one more example. If this is 10, so this 10 over radical 3. Before I do this, you have to put in your head that if this 10, you have to know this is the medium. If the given is the medium, directly go and find the smallest by divide by radical 3. And then the longest will be smallest multiply 2, so 20 over radical 3. Are we good? I hope so. Now this is all about 30 60 90. So the point here, you have to know what is the given and go find the smallest, and you know the rest. Now what if I have 45 45? The 45 45, it is a graph, it is come like this, or it is come like this. This one and this one are the same. Okay? Okay. Now what is the relation? All of time there are a radical 2 here. Okay. Now let us take one example. If this is 10, so this will be 10 over radical 2, and this will be 10 over radical 2. One more example. If this 5, so this is 5, so this is 5 radical 2. If this 6, so this is 6, so this is 6 radical 2. Now the hardest part, if the longest is given, but you know what you have to do. If this 7, so this is 7 over radical 2, and this is 7 over radical 2. Are we good? Do you understand the relationship? So if this 3, so this is 3, so this is 3 radical 2. Now, if the tallest is given, if this 9, so this is 9 over radical 2, 9 over radical 2. Easy, yes? I hope that. This is all in 9.6. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.